Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can embed Google reviews on Wix. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Wix.com, and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys in the top, you're going to find the option to create a new folder, and then here you're going to find the option to create a new site. Right here in the center, as you can see guys, you're going to find a list that includes all of the sites that you created before. So right now I'm going to go, for example, to one of those sites. For example, I'm going to go to this one, select and edit site, and then we're going to go to the dashboard, and then I'm going to go to design site. And then once you're here, just wait for this page to load, which is going to be the editor for Wix. So once it's loaded, you need to go here to the left and then click on the plus icon to add an element and then go to the embed code section. And then here you're going to find embed HTML. Go ahead and click on add to site and then it will be added. Right now, what you need to do guys is go ahead and open a new tab and then go ahead and search for this site, which is elf site. So basically guys, this is going to help you add the Google reviews. So right now I'm going to scroll a little bit down, and then here, as you can see guys, you're going to find the reviews. We're going to add the widget Google reviews right here, and then we're going to create the widget. So right now, as you can see guys, you can choose which type of widgets you want. So I'm going to click on continue with this template, and then you can search for the business name or address. For example, I'm going to name it Clothes Store New York, and then click on search. And after that, you can choose the address that you want. So right now, just wait for this to load. As you can see guys right here, these are the reviews. And then you can just click on add to website for free. Then you need to log in. You can either continue with Google, with Facebook, or with email, or just manually log in. After you log into your account, go ahead and click on publish. And once you do that, you need to choose a plan. So we're going to select this one. And then you need to copy this code right here. And once you copy this code, go back to the Wix editor and paste it here in the HTML box. And once you finish, go ahead and click on update. And then your reviews will be added right here. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.